Soft whispers in the wind tonight, paper wings taking flight, dreams written in the fading light. I fold the corners, make it right, send my hopes out into the night.
Hey y'all, this is a day in the life as a content creator and streamer. I kind of woke up late and now I'm late to work. So I didn't get to do my mascara yet. I'm gonna do it in the bathroom in work. I'm just gonna work a little bit and then we're gonna get into the content streaming stuff later on today.
Carrying secrets brave and bold. Will you see them? Will you know? Messages where whispers go.
Y'all, so I got out of work and I got myself some Taco Bell because, you know, you gotta treat yourself here and there. I got the Cantina chicken bowl and of course some mild sauce. Oh my gosh, this literally smells so good. I should have asked no cheese and sour cream, but I kind of forgot. I just drizzle some of this on it. And I usually like watch a YouTube video while eating food in the car. No, that's really good. This literally hits every time. I didn't even know there was guacamole on this. How did I just realize that? Now for the fun part is finding a good YouTube video to watch. I just propped my phone up here on my tripod and just literally in my car. It's literally the best thing ever. I love doing that. I don't think it gets better than this, eating food in your car while watching YouTube video alone in the comfort of your own car. Say frickin' less. I'll update you guys after.
The rain. Distant stars, they guide the way to where unspoken wishes stay. Tracing lines on midnight blue, hoping they'll lead.
Okay, I just put some mascara on. I'm probably gonna let my hair air dry. I honestly don't feel like blow drying it and straightening it today. So we're just gonna let the natural curls go. But I am getting a little tired, so I did make myself another iced coffee. I've been loving white coffee. If you guys want to know my recipe, I'll link it down below in the description. It's basically white coffee grounds, oat milk creamer that's like French vanilla swirl flavored, and some caramel drizzle. I'm trying to find some caramel that's lactose free just because I want to be on a lactose free diet. And I'm trying to lean away from getting Dunkin' every day and just focus more on making iced coffee at home and making it more like a dairy-free iced coffee just because I want to go to a more dairy-free diet. But this honestly hits. It's so good. I'm still trying to perfect it. So I can't wait to start making this like every day in the morning for work because Dunkin' is so unpredictable and I don't want to be drinking all that dairy in that. So I think this is going to be a better financial and health decision for me. And dare I say, it kind of tastes better. Okay, now I'm going to call in a pizza. My grandma and I are going to get a pizza together. We're going to share a veggie pizza. I love some veggie pizza. And that's what's going to be for my dinner tonight. Okay, so I just placed the order. My dogs are just... What are you guys doing over there, huh? They are so funny. Since I make money on social media, I got this like planner kind of thing so I can keep track of how much I make per month on there. So it's easier for me to like track my taxes and stuff. I know, so boring. Okay, so I did the first week of March. So now I gotta do, you know, the second, third, and fourth and calculate how much I made, divide that, and whatever, how much I should put into my savings for like taxes and stuff. I know, so boring. But I'm actually gonna fill this out, look over on TikTok on how much I made from there and just calculate it all. And I literally got pens like to match this. I think that's so adorable. I think I might do this over at my streaming station over there. So let's go do some boring math stuff. It's a little chilly out today, so I had to put on this sweatshirt here, but still drinking a little bit of my coffee. I hope you guys aren't judging me for having 2 iced coffee cups today. No judgment here. We love coffee here.
I just better be drinking this before I get the pizza. But I first have to drop off like mail at the post office for my mom, and then we're gonna go get pizza, and then we're going to my mom's house. So I think we have enough time to drink all of this. Let's hope. Okay, so I just got the pizza. It smells amazing. My gosh, that looks delicious. But I will update you guys after we're done with the pizza. So I got back from my grandma's, and this is gonna be my dessert for tonight. Just like the classic drumsticks. Literally so good. It's one of my favorite desserts. If you guys know, you know. And after I'm done eating this, I'm gonna show you guys like my setup on what I have to go through in order to stream. More so of what I do before I start streaming. Like making sure my microphone's good, making sure my Christmas tree lights are on, stuff like that. So I'll update you guys after.
Morning breaks a golden hue, scattered dreams still searching through, silent prayers with fragile wings, lost in the winds of a hope it brings.
Okay, y'all, I'm about to go stream. That was kind of like my streaming setup process there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of just like a day in the life of a content creator streamer. I really want to do more of these types of videos or more Fortnite related content. Let me know down in the comments below what kind of video content you want to see from me here on YouTube. I'm gonna have so much fun streaming. I can't wait to play some sub games tonight on TikTok. I absolutely love streaming, and I'm so glad you guys love it as well. If you guys come from the stream, chocolate milk, let's comment that down below if you guys get this reference. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. That's been my lifelong dream ever since I started my YouTube channel. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I'm thinking of doing like a subathon giftathon on TikTok, and that's where I'm gonna eat a pickle, which I do not want to think about. But I'm probably gonna stream for a couple hours now, probably like 3 or 4 hours, and just play sub games, and I can't wait for that. And I hope you guys do too. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Monday with a new video. Bye guys. Thank you so much for sharing the live. I appreciate that. My day was pretty good. Thank you for the heart me's. Reminder to send your heart me's, y'all. Veggie pizza is really good. It's very good. Y'all, thank you guys so much for the heart me's. I appreciate that.